So today I'm going to be drawing VeryDarkMan. But wait, why am I drawing him? I mean, I've drawn him before. In fact, I've drawn him multiple times before. So why now? Why again? Well, I have two reasons, of which number one is he is trending, and the second reason is where I now start to tell stories that touches the heart. You see, drawing is becoming boring for me. I've been doing the same things every day for the past 5 years, using only charcoal and big pens for drawing. So to spice things up, I decided to do something I've never done before: drawing with colored pencils. Now, trying new things can be tough. I can easily waste hours of my life just to achieve nothing close to beauty. But hey, that's the fun of it, right? Getting out of my comfort zone. Getting uncomfortable is the main goal for this project. Anyways, let me stop ranting and actually start drawing before I talk my way out of it. Now, in case you don't know what I did here, it's called gridding. I am basically drawing bunch of lines in rows and columns to create boxes. These grid lines help me to simplify the sketching process instead of confusing where to start or how big or small the eyes and nose are. I simply pick a box in the reference photo and draw the exact content of that box. This is a whole new topic, but don't worry, I have a 5-minute video explaining this process, and it will be the first link on the description for you to watch. But that's of course after you are done watching this one. Don't click off yet. Now that I'm done with the sketch, it's time to get to the real tea: coloring. Okay, I've heard a lot of testimonials about this pencil. It's called skin tint pastel pencils. So I hope it doesn't fall my hand. I do what I always do first: outlining. And after outlining, I start building the face. Now, here is one thing I discovered about this color pencil: blending is not the same as charcoal. When using charcoal, you can blend with almost anything, but for this pastel, try blending with tissue paper and regret doing so. For now, I only know that we can blend with our fingers. Until I discover any other method of blending, we will stick with this. Or if you know any, please help us in the chat. Oh man, I enjoyed drawing the eyes so much that I almost forgot to record the process. I start with the basic: outlining, then shading. If you've watched to this extent, I'm sorry, but here is where I bill you like Netflix. Do this, please hit the like button and subscribe because it's free. And here at Some Legendary Arts, we don't just help you improve your art skills. We motivate you, prep you, and inspire you to be the best version of yourself. So I've moved on from the face to the body, chest and neck area. Now here's the thing: I was feeling brave. I said, let me flex these new color pencils, right? I mean, how hard can it be? My brother, let me just confess, I suffered. I legit thought these pastel pencils would just glide like butter, blend smoothly, behave like charcoal. But no, they came with their own wahala. First off, I didn't even know which color to start with. There is one called burnt sienna, another called peach, then one sneaky one called salmon pink. Bro, so I'm layering, trying to match skin tone. But every time I add one more layer, it starts looking like somebody rubbed Fanta and mud together. And you can't erase, that's the part that pained me. No control Z in real life. Every stroke feels permanently like signing a contract. But you know what? I actually enjoyed the chaos. It's like discovering how to draw all over again. I made plenty mistakes, yes, but I also started seeing new techniques I never noticed before. That's the beauty of trying new tools. You feel stupid at first, but then you grow. So yeah, if you are watching this and thinking of switching up your medium, just do it. Even if you fail loud. Let them hear it, bro, because one day you will wake up and realize you've actually improved by accident. Sometimes I sit back and ask myself, how did something I loved so much start to feel boring? I mean, 5 years ago, I would literally lose sleep just thinking about a new drawing idea. I would sketch on napkins, use my last money to buy pens, get excited just seeing paper. But these days, drawing feels like brushing my teeth. It's necessary, it's routine, but where is the spark? Don't get me wrong, I still love art. It's my safe space. But I realized the problem. I was doing the same things the same way for too long. Charcoal, big pen, hyper realism, day in, day out. People loved the results, yeah. But me, I was low key drowning in repetition. It's like cooking jollof rice every day. It might taste good, but after a while, you start craving something else. Even if it's just bread and egg. That's what color pencils are to me right now. My own bread and egg. Something different, something I'm not good at yet. And that's the point. I miss that feeling of not knowing what I'm doing, of struggling, of messing up and then figuring it out. That's where the joy is, not in perfection, but in the challenge. So if you're watching this and you've been feeling stuck, not just in art but in anything you love, maybe it's not the passion that is gone. Maybe you just need to do it in a new way. Stretch it, twist it, even break it, bro. Like, even break it a little, you might just find something better. You know what's crazy? There was a time I almost quit drawing completely. Not because I hated it, but because it started feeling pointless. I would post a drawing that took me 30 hours to finish, 50 likes. Then someone posts a picture of their cat in a bucket. Boom, 10k likes. That thing messed with my head, bro. I started thinking, what's the point? Why put in all this effort when nobody seems to care? I even convinced myself that maybe I wasn't that good, even though deep down I knew that wasn't the truth. But here's the part that changed everything. I realized I was measuring my worth with numbers, and numbers will always lie if you don't know what they mean. So I made a rule. I will create like the world is watching and post like nobody is. That way, the pressure is gone. Because at the end of the day, views go up, views go down, algorithms change, trends fade, platforms die, but skills don't expire. If you keep building your craft even in silence, it will speak for you one day. So, yeah, if you are a creator, keep creating, don't quit because the room is quiet. Sometimes it's quiet before the applause. Now, looking at this piece, I realize it's more than just another portrait of VeryDarkMan. It's a symbol of starting over, of trying again, not because you failed, but because you've grown. This drawing was uncomfortable. It fought me, the blending stressed me, the colors disrespected me. But in the end, I found something I haven't felt in a long time: excitement. And maybe that's the real reason I made this video. Not to show off a new tool, but to remind myself, and maybe you watching, that it's okay to evolve. You don't have to stay in one version of yourself forever. You can pivot, you can try something new, you can suck at something and still call it growth. And as for the result, whether you think this drawing is fire or flop, honestly, it doesn't matter because what I gain from this process is way more valuable than likes or views. And if this video inspired you even a little bit, like even 1%, then do something simple. Like the video, comment something, subscribe. Not just for me, but for you, to remind yourself that you are ready for more. And hey, if you are still here, you are not just a viewer, you are part of the journey now. So here's what to do next. Click on this video right here. I think it will blow your mind. Or hit that subscribe button and let's keep growing together. My name is Sam and this was something different. Peace. Click on the click So here's what to do next. Click on this video right here. I think it will be I think it will blow up your mind. I think it will blow your mind. Or hit that subscribe button. Let or hit that subscribe button and let's keep growing together. My name is Sam and this was something different. Peace.